In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to access and use Seedance 2.0 completely free. And if you watch to the very end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this unlimited times without having to pay upfront. Now, before I jump into the video, let me show you guys this platform I have been using to get Netflix subscription for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link to this platform in the video description down below, just in case you want to check it out. On this platform, you can get Netflix private accounts for as low as $4 per month. So you don't have to pay $20, $25, or even $30 for a Netflix subscription, and this is going to actually save you a lot of money. So that being said, let me show you guys how to access and use Seedance 2.0 completely free and unlimited. Don't forget to leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Alright guys, so the platform I'm talking about in this video is called $AI. I'm also going to drop the link in the video description down below. Now, $AI actually allows you to generate AI videos completely free using Seedance 2.0. So simply go over to Google and search $AI, or make use of the link in the video description. Go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to load up and take you right here. Now, to create your account, all you need to do is to come over here, click on login. Now, you can actually download the application both on your Windows, your MacBook, your Android or iOS devices. So any device you are using, you can actually go ahead and download. Now, if you want to make use of the web page itself, all you need to do is to go ahead and create a free account on the website. So come over here and click on login. Now, there are different ways you can create an account on the platform. So first, you can create an account using your mobile phone number, using your Facebook, using your Google account, or using your Apple ID. Now, the easiest option is going to be a Google account. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on it. So once you tap on it, it's going to take you here. Now over here, all you need to do is to go ahead and select your email. So I'm going to tap on it right here. It's going to load up and take you to the next page. Scroll down here, click continue again. So right here, it's going to ask me to confirm my age. So I'm just going to confirm it right there. All right, so after that, it's going to load up and take me straight into my workspace. Now, there are lots of things you can actually do on this platform aside creating videos. You can create images, write, create video, translate. You can also animate your images right here on the platform. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to first of all go ahead and create an image. Then we'll move over to create a video. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on create image right here. Over here, if you have a reference image, you can actually upload it right here. So now this is where you can select the aspect ratio here. Over here, this is where you can select the style. So you can select portraits, landscape, anime, 3D, cyberpunk, oil painting, watercolor, and more. If I scroll down here, you can see there are a lot of them. And if you want to make use of their templates, you can just click on templates right here. And you can see there are lots of templates here. You can actually use it to create your own images. Now we want to create our image from scratch. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my prompts right here. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and paste in my prompts, and I've selected my aspect ratio as 16:9. The style is going to be portrait. Next, I'm going to come over here and click on this arrow here to send. And as you can see right here, the AI is currently working on generating my image. All right guys, so $AI actually generated 4 images for us, and you can see how they look super realistic. All we need to do is to go ahead and select the one we actually want to use. So if you want to download it, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on the download button right here, and you can see it has started downloading. You can see right here the image has been downloaded successfully. Now remember, you can also make use of your mobile phone to use this platform to generate your AI images. Now let's go ahead and create a video on the platform using Seedance 2.0. So all you need to do is to come over here and click on new chats. Then over here, you have the opportunity to upload a reference image, so you can go ahead and create a video from that image. Over here, this is where you can select the AI model you want to use. So you can see here they have Dreamina Seedance 2.0 fast, and they have Dreamina Seedance 1.0. So I'm going to go ahead and select on Seedance 2.0 fast. Next, I'm going to click over here and select the duration of the video. So you can choose 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So for me, I'm just going to select 5 seconds. Next, you can come over here and select the aspect ratio. So I'm going to be selecting 16:9 since I want to create a horizontal video. Next, I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt in this area. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompts right here. Make sure everything is set. Then I'm going to come over here and click on this arrow here, and you can see here it says the video will be generated using Seedance 2.0 model in 1 to 3 minutes. So it actually tells you exactly how many minutes you are going to wait to get your AI video ready. Now it also said I will send it to you when it's done. You have 3 points left today. Now what that means is that I have only 3 times to generate videos today, because it is not truly unlimited. But if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you guys how to do this unlimited time, so stick around to the very end. Alright guys, so our video has been generated. As you can see it right here, it follows exactly what I instructed it in the prompt, and you can see how the video actually looks really realistic. Now all you need to do, you can actually go ahead and regenerate it just in case you don't like the result. You can like it, you can dislike it, but if you're okay with the result, all you need to do is to come over here and click on this button here to download, or you can just come over here, click on this 3 dots icon right here and hit on download. So once I click on it, you can see right here it has started downloading. The video has been downloaded successful. As you can see, it only allows you to create just 3 videos in a day, and that is not going to be enough for you if you are creating a lot of AI videos. So how do you do this unlimited times? All you need to do is to go ahead and create another account if you have a different Google account, and start creating your videos. So that is the only way you can actually create AI videos on this platform completely free and unlimited. Thank you guys for watching. If you do appreciate this information, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Also, I have a free AI community. I'll drop the link in the video description down below. Go ahead and check it out, and with that said, I will see you in the next one.